चलो सब पीछे चले और रिबन कटिंग होते फिर पीछे 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 पहले पीछे प्रेरणा प्रेरणा एक मिनट रुको लेटर दो एक मिनट रुको
भैया पीछे 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 पीछे
स्टील आप नीचे नीचे आ जाओ
कट करेंगे ना थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइट नीचे भैया थोड़ा सा नीचे
यस सजा जैसे होल्ड फॉर अ सेकंड एक मिनट बोला ये चलेगा
हाँ चलेगा काटो फोटो प्लीज उर्वशी उर्वशी जी
उर्वशी सामने
लेफ्ट साइड
सामने एकदम सामने
उर्वशी स्ट्रेट हियर सेंटर
राइट प्लीज
चला मागे झाला आता
राइट
उर्वशी सामने एकदम सामने
चिल्लाते मुझे बोलते उर्वशी प्लीज
चलो पीछे पीछे
अरे भाई मेरे को
आराम से
जलाइए मैम सामने ही है उर्वशी स्टार्ट कौन है उर्वशी
स्टेडियम
ले
उधर पड़ा है नहीं अंदर ही है
उर्वशी आल्सो प्लीज
आराम से भाई
सगळेजण दिवा लावणार आहे
वैसे को बोला आगे
अभी आया
बाजू में
क्या हुआ
सबको मिलना चाहिए।
बस
तो पीछे आ जाओ सर वीडियो तो पीछे आओ
they wanted to come ahead so they can take pictures properly. एक second.
अरे मैम बाहर वीडियो निकालिए हेलो
ओके ठीक है
Okay. Well, let's keep your listening.
No, we don't have.
हे आता कोणालीमध्ये
अरे इन लोग का ही लड़की फोटोग्राफर बोल रहे हैं
मैम राइट प्लीज राइट मैम राइट
अच्छा
Excuse me, ma'am. सामने से आपके लेफ्ट में
उर्वशी सेंटर उर्वशी लुक उर्वशी उर्वशी स्टेडियम उर्वशी सेंटर
जस्ट राइट हाँ
उर्वशी सामने एकदम पेरना कम ऑन उर्वशी का छोड़ उर्वशी लुक है लास्ट लुक है पेरना और कौन है फोटो आपके लिए कौन है और
उर्वशी यहाँ पे राइट राइट
थैंक यू ये घूमने दो अभी घूमने दो अभी प्लीज थैंक यू उर्वशी
रोलिंग गाइस रोलिंग रोल कर रहे हो शांति का नाम It's really good to see you, Urvashi. Tell us, whenever you associate yourself with any brand, what are the three things you look into?
Well, first of all, I would say that
It's great to be here, and I think it's a dream hub and a dream destination for all the jewelry lovers like me. And it's India's leading and the most premium destination for all the jewelers. As we know that there are more than 60 jewelers who are participating today. I would like to congratulate each and every jewelry brand and jewelry designers. And when it comes to jewelry, I think so that I love, be it like gold jewelry or diamond jewelry or platinum. It just depends on the kind of event I'm going to and what kind of outfit I'm wearing. So I believe that I love each and every, and I like to flaunt different sorts of jewelry. It's nothing like that. I only love diamond jewelry or I just love gold jewelry, but specifically I just love like wearing different sorts of jewelry.
What does glamour mean to you?
Well, glamour itself is something which is something like internally and it reflects outside. I believe that glamour is very, very important. And when it comes to jewelry, jewelry is one such creativity and most wonderful piece and a piece of art which can definitely add up to your glamour.
Okay, but Urvashi was always there in your mind to be here for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Yeah, since the time I saw a few pictures of her, when she was introduced into the industry. That's when we decided that we must have her because she is a glamorous person. She looks beautiful and carries herself glamorously well. That's why we have her here today. Thank you very much, Urvashi.
Thank you. I would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Gandhi and the entire team for being so supportive and for being a symbol of strength to all the jewelry designers out there. I think it's an incredible thing.
Okay, so do you agree with this? Once the actress like Urvashi Rutela, who's here for the ribbon cutting ceremony, the visibility will be more to more people. It will get wider when we talk about this exhibition or the retailer or the designer who are part of this exhibition.
I believe she's a youth icon, and in terms of today's designs, etc., everything is based on topical interest as to what, in terms of designs, attract consumers to take it up. So they identify with her. That's why she's successful and she's where she is. To match these two brands together symbolizes that we wish to catch the attention of the new consumers who would like to come and who wouldn't go to legendary stores which their parents or where their family or their references know them, and they come in and explore the market in Holland. We take care of what really excites them in terms of new brands and new designs which are available.
Okay,
That's
who
really
do you
kind
think
of
youth icon is from the industry? Though he said you are the
That's
madam.
very sweet of him, actually.
She sure is.
I'm thankful to him. Yeah, thanks.
Whom you see as a youth icon in Bollywood?
I think Salman Khan and Akshay Kumar are youth icons because I feel in terms of their cinema and the kind of films they're doing, they are so inspiring, and I think they both are a symbol of inspiration to all of us. Yeah.
Do you remember this your first jewelry and why you did something?
It was for my mother. She too is a jewelry lover, like everyone out here. So I bought something really special, like a bracelet, because she loves bracelets. I've bought so many things for her, but I remember a bracelet which I gifted her.
ऋषि मैम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आज मिस सिद्धू फाइनल के लिए खेलने जा रही है ओलंपिक
Yeah.
एनी मैसेज यू वांट टू गिव
And about Sakshi Malik also.
Yes, I would like to congratulate Sakshi Malik and everyone out there, all the Indian contingent and all the participants out there, because they are the great representatives and great ambassadors. And I feel that, I just want to tell everyone that no matter how much money, success or fame you get, but the feeling of representing your country is the best feeling in the world. I think nothing can match up to that feeling ever.
Okay, yesterday Ritesh Deshmukh dedicated his song, his upcoming film Banjo. He was there for the launch of his song, and he said, I dedicate my song to Sakshi Malik. If you want to dedicate anything to Sakshi Malik, who got a medal,
today she will be going to final
if you want to dedicate
I
anything,
think they deserve, I think this is a very, for me, I think they deserve much more than that. I think they are great representative, and they are, what do we call, the diamond of our countries, and they are the biggest symbol of our country because they are flying and flying and flying, and I think that they deserve much more than that.
So what
they
happened on
deserve.
professional front? Please continue. What happening on professional front? Was there the
Well, in
vibe?
professional front, there are a couple of movies. I'm reading scripts, and I'm very sure that I want to do something very specific. And my revamped song of super hit song "Gal Ban Gayi" is also going to release the end of this month, in which you'll see me doing sword fighting and doing ballet, locking, popping, dance forms. Yeah, so it's and Yo-Yo Honey Singh is part of that song. Meet Brothers, Neha Kakkar has sung it very beautifully. Also Sukhbir's, if you remember Sukhbir's Gal Ban Gayi. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The glamour mic, yeah.
This one.
Hello. Hi. I'd like to know how have you styled your beautiful outfit? Can you give us a style to compare? Okay.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.